Hi again. So I'm almost done. A little boy siya na nagsiswing. So dito muna tayo sa So I think I'm done na kasi very simple lang naman tong painting na to. So I have to sign.